Hashtag sure, here it is, toe in, guys. I don't know why I was towed in. I think the customer just had some work. Let's see. I hear exhaust leak, guys. Now the crazy thing about this year, 2016, guys, that's a recall on the Cat Converter. All right, I don't know what in the world. Yep, look like that customer. This customer just wasted a lot of money. Oh no, look like the Cat just been replaced. And the weird thing, like I say, there's a recall on this year model. And they in for the recall, but they in for this noise. So I don't know if the other shop didn't hook something up right. I don't know, I gotta get it in the shop. But you talk about a waste of money, that has to be almost $1,000 wasted when they got a recall that they can get a free brand new Cat Converter. Look guys, those missing bolts. How much you wanna bet there's no, how many missing? Up, there go one right there. How much you wanna bet the threads are stripped out? Stay tuned, hashtag short, guys. All right, let's see why this little Cherokee was making all that noise. Here it is right here, guys. That's why I was making noise. I don't know, did they take these off and it stopped? Remember guys, it just left another shop. Let me grab my socket and see if this thing even moved. Oh, oh, that one ain't moving. Let me see about this one. All right, so these are stripped out. They won't come straight out. Now, the good news is these nuts or bolts are attached to the actual Cat Converter, which means if I'm about to replace it anyway due to a recall, I can just simply cut these off, right? So that's a little bit of good news, guys. I got to get this off so I can get the complete Cat Converter off. All right, so let me grab a cutting wheel and get that off. All right, guys, I got it off. There you go. Now I can get the Cat off. Stay tuned for the next, guys. All right, I'm getting ready to replace this Cat. Guys, remember, y'all saw the last two shorts. Hopefully, I'll put them in the description so y'all can watch those. The bottom bolts was broke off or stripped out, so I ended up cutting them out. Watch those in the last short. Now, I'm finna start taking these off. I don't know if they're gonna stick, freeze, or what. I'm gonna set the camera up. We're gonna watch together. Let's try to get these bolts off, guys. Let's get it. Right, guys, for the most part I like to consider myself lucky. I got extremely lucky, right? Okay, so in the aftermath of that from the other shop, okay, yes, they actually only broke one and stripped out one. Okay, so this is just simple as tapping that out. This is aluminum, guys. I can tap that out and insert, right? Or I might just try to I'm gonna drive the bolt in and see if it will create its own threads. But as far as this, yes, this will have to be, I don't know, drilled, welded. I saw a lot of you guys comments. I'll figure out how to get that out later. For now, let me proceed with getting this done. All right, that's all I have on this short. Stay tuned, man.